Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you some basic functions of AutoCAD. We're going to be drawing a retaining wall, a cross section. So let's begin. First, let's make sure we have the correct units. I use meters. Click OK. I'm gonna go here line, and I'm gonna type in 1.5. Here 0.45. On this side also. Make sure you have your snap-on and polar tracking. Okay, and I'm just going to take line again and connect these two. Now I'm going to take circle. I'm just going to make 0.3. Here I'm going to make 0.72. Now I'm going to take a line and I'm gonna make 0.05 on this side also. Now I'm gonna connect these two. Okay, with the edges. So okay, this is the foundation of my retaining wall. So let's say the height will be 1.8 meters. Let's make this 1.3. Okay, now we're gonna clean this up by using the trim function. Okay, if I just hover over it, I will delete it. Okay, we have a problem here. We're just gonna move this. Okay, just use trim again and trim the lines we don't need. Okay. Yeah, okay, this looks much better. Okay, now we're going to use this line, and we're not done yet, and use the offset command. So I'm gonna take here the midpoint, and I'm gonna lower it by, let's say, 0.70. Okay, stretch this a bit. I'm gonna do also same here. Say 0.20. Click, and here we go. Now, I'm going to make here also another line. I'm also going to stretch it. I'm also going to offset this line for, let's say, 0.22. Okay. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Use trim again. We can extend this one. Okay. Connect this. I'm also going to trim this one. We need it. If I hit spacebar, I repeat my last function. So my last function was trim, so I have trim again. Okay, I'm gonna use a circle. We're gonna cut off these edges. So when designing reinforced concrete structures, you need to chip off the edges because if not, they will eventually, if built, will fall off, and that's not good. So I'm gonna take a circle, 0.2. Okay. Here I'm going to use 0.3. Okay. On this side also 0.2. Okay. I'm gonna take line again. I'm gonna connect these two. Also here, I'm gonna make 0.02. Also going to connect this one. Okay. Now let's take trim again. We just hover over the lines we want to delete. Okay. Okay, so this is our retaining wall, cross section of our retaining wall. Let's also draw these two lines here, and from left to right, we select. Okay, what's this? I'm gonna delete this and make. Okay, we're gonna type in join. Okay, so this is now join. So this is now one line. Okay, we're also going to do this for this part. Okay, also line here. Great. Okay, I can also select it like this, type in join, and also the foundations. Just gonna create here another line, join. Okay, so now I have these three parts separate. I also want to use hatch, so I'll click here, hatch. Here I choose this color, and I'm gonna pick close hatch, so my cross section is now hatched. I'm going to add some dimensions here. You just go here, dimensions. Oh, okay. First, let's enter dim style. You can choose here the size of your dimensions. I like using this one. Set current. Just gonna add some dimensions to it. You can just move this like this. Okay, looks much better. Let's also add some dimensions for this part right here. Okay. And then move this. Okay. I usually like to put these lines down because it's obvious we don't need them. Okay. Also gonna make them here. Oh, this is the one we need, the one we're interested in. Okay. Let's select them again and okay. I'm gonna type in dim style. I'm gonna choose the bigger ones. Set current. Oh, close. still we're gonna use the bigger dimensions now. Okay. We're just gonna make one. Okay. Just gonna move these lines. Okay, this looks much better. And yes, we can also put a text here. Let's say this cross section pay. Okay, cross. This looks awfully big, so I'll just click on it, right click, go to properties, and text height, let's say 0.35. Click enter, and I have my text right here. Maybe I can even use the underline. Okay, so this is an engineering drawing. Oh, we also forgot to put some text. I'm gonna copy and write